Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, back and fresh with a haircut, and it's red. I'm going to be reviewing the new Pat McGrath concealers for you guys today. They're not that new. I mean, they've been out for a little bit and I've actually gotten this box like a little while ago, but you know, filming has just been really hard in quarantine, even though I have all the time in the world. But, you know, that's neither here nor there. We're going to jump into the concealer. I got the whole system for you guys, okay? I'm ready to try it all out. I've got the concealer, the under eye powder, and the concealer brush. I bought the kit, so it all ended up coming out to, I think, like $70 instead of $95. I'm not really sure. I'll give you guys a price breakdown in the description bar below if you're interested. So if you want to see how this concealer goes, then stay tuned. But before all of that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because, you know, we're stuck at home. You may as well subscribe, as well as go follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _ it's Gilly. And be sure to give this video a like and leave a comment down below if you have this product, you're interested, or whatever your thoughts may be. So let's get right to it. So Pat McGrath, this is the box that I ordered. As I said, I got the 3 trio set thing. It doesn't tell me what the kit would be. It just tells me the individual prices of these, but I know I bought it from her website, so I bought the kit that she was selling. And so just so you know, the under eye powder alone, I believe, is $30. The concealer is $32, and the concealer brush is $32 as well. If you guys have been watching my channel for a little bit, you know that the Pat McGrath foundation is like actually one of my favorite foundations from 2019. I thought this was like literally the best foundation. I really didn't think I was gonna like it because it wasn't, like, I was afraid it wasn't gonna be like mattifying enough for my skin, but it's like literally perfect. It's what I'm wearing today, and in case you're wondering, I wear the shade Medium Deep 27, and it has been my shade since the summer, and I think it's been like a really, really good match. So just a little tidbit about the foundation. This is what the powder looks like. I got the shade Medium for the powder just because I kind of wanted it to still be like highlighting, so we'll see. And it comes in this really cute like little setup with little sparkles in there, super cute. This is what the concealer looks like. I got the shade MD 23. I had to consult a lot of people to figure out what my shade was in this, but I ended up going with one of the ones that Jackie Aina uses because her and I, we match a lot. So I ended up getting this one as well as the concealer brush. So let me just go ahead and take all of these out of the packages. Wow, this brush is little for $32. Yikes. This is what the brush looks like. It has this little cone head around it. Hold on, I'm struggling. Okay, so this is what the concealer brush looked like. It's like pretty angled and domey, and it feels like really thick. It's like soft at the tip, but then like the core of it seems like pretty sturdy, so it could be very good as concealer. I've never put concealer on with a brush like this, so we'll just have to see how that goes. This packaging is luxurious in all Pat McGrath fashion. Just get the concealer out. So this is what it looks like. I will put some other references for some of my other favorite concealers in the description bar, just so that you kind of can gauge whether or not this concealer would work for you or not. And just keep in mind, I do kind of like my under eye a little bit brighter than most, so just think about that, you know? And lastly is this powder. So this is what the powder looks like. It's way lighter than I was expecting. I'm kind of shocked right now, but I'm sure I will make it work. And there's this cute little tiny mirror in here, and I'm not sure who that's for, although you can perfectly see your under eye in it. that's just too small for me, and I'm not gonna do that. So I have a mirror here. Let's get to it. I also have my sponge here just in case this brush is just not what I want. So let me just jump right into this. I'm just gonna conceal my normal places. It has a cute little doe foot applicator, nothing special, no smell. Well, it just smells like concealer, I don't know. Okay, so this is weird because I normally do like the center of my face. Let's see if this brush is going to do that. This just seems really tedious. I mean, I guess if you put in this much work, like your concealer would be great. But like for my chin, that's just, let's see what happens with the nose. I mean, I guess you get it nice and concentrated, but this just seems like a lot just for concealer. Who is blending their concealer out this way? It's actually doing a pretty good job. Like I'm saying, it's just like tedious. Like, I don't know. And I still feel like I'm getting like those harsh lines, so I would have to go in with my beauty blender anyways. So yeah, I think this is cute, but I can't give up my beauty blender when it comes to blending. But that does look really nice. That is just the shade of concealer that I like. I'm gonna try to do the under eye with this. Yeah, it's not bad, it's just like taking too long, so we're just gonna put that down and use our little beauty blender. I wonder if she meant for the brush to be for the powder. I wish she sent a powder brush, or maybe she did and I didn't get it. I guess I can use like this brush here to go into the powder and see what happens. I'm gonna do one eye with the brush and one eye with the beauty blender, see what happens. Lots of kickback. I'll sing it, I'll sing it, I'll sing it louder now. I don't see anything. Let's try this. Ah. Really good. It is currently 6:02 p.m. I am going to wear this until about like 11 p.m. I meant to do this earlier, but I was working out, went on a hike, all this stuff, so things happened and obviously I couldn't go working out with a full face of makeup, so I didn't get to film. But I'm gonna try to do like a 4 or 5 hour wear test for you guys on the concealer so you can see what it looks like. I am gonna go ahead and finish my face off camera, but really on camera because I'm filming another video, but potato. I'll be back to show you guys what my final look is going to be, and then come back and give you guys the results and let you know if this concealer is worth $32. I did forget to mention that this is basically glass. Like, this is glass. This is a heavy concealer. This is like the heaviest, like by heavy I mean weight, concealer that I own. This is probably also the most expensive one that I own, but so far so good. Like, I really actually like the color. I can't say I'm sold on the powder, mainly because it's a pressed powder and I kind of feel like maybe I should have gotten that loose powder that she came out with for the foundation, but I'm not mad at this powder. I just personally don't like, I don't use pressed powders for my under eyes, so this is just kind of strange. But anywho, I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is going to be our final look of the day with this concealer. I think my under eyes are still looking really, really good. I'm going to go ahead, film a couple more videos, wear this, have my dinner, all this jazz, work on my bullet journal. I'm part of the bullet journal crew now, and come back and show you guys how this holds up. I kind of have a really good feeling about this concealer, but you never know. And I did use it with Pat's foundation, so hopefully that kind of, you know, helps it along. But yeah, please just stay tuned and I'll come back with some results and let you know if this concealer is worth $32. So yeah, I'll be right back. Not really, more like in a few hours. Alrighty guys, so it is currently 11:15 p.m. This is what my under eyes are currently looking like. I kind of think they look good. I'm definitely getting a little bit oily, a little bit dewy, a little bit cute, you know, all that good stuff. My oils are popping right now, but I think that my under eye overall looks very, very good. I don't normally have any issues with my under eyes, so that's kind of why I didn't think this concealer would go badly. I think that this concealer looks, wow, it looks great. I've had a little bit to drink. This concealer looks really, really great. I personally would high-key recommend purchasing the concealer. I only would recommend the concealer though. I think the brush is cute, but it's way too tedious for me and my patience. I think if you just put a dab of concealer on, maybe the brush would work, but this little tiny little thing is not worth $32. So yeah, just don't buy the brush. And then the powder is also nice, but I just don't like this form of like pressed powder. I prefer a loose powder for my under eye, but like the powder works if you use it with a sponge. I found that using it with a brush kind of sucked. So yeah, I don't really care for the powder. For sure, I love the concealer. I think the concealer looks really, really great. It's a perfect match with the foundation. It has that whole like, I'm hydrated, but I'm not like super like dewy type of feel, and it's just perfect for every type of skin tone, I feel. So for sure, I would high-key recommend the concealer. If you were wondering. So yeah, that's kind of the end of today's video. I'm really ready to take my face off because it's so late at night. So that's all from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Be sure to give this video a like and leave a comment down below about what you think of the concealer, if you like it, if you don't. Let me know. And yeah, that's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.